We're here in the historic market town in Hertfordshire to show you this stunning renovation project featuring Internorm windows and doors. The original home from the Edwardian period, built in 1904, featured UPVC golden oak double glazed windows before the Internorm windows were installed, and actually the homeowners came across a photograph with the original installation of windows that showed them having black Georgian bars, so it was very, very key to get that detail back into the house when we were thinking about the renovation project as a whole. It was very important for the homeowners to understand exactly what they were going to achieve. So the products chosen for this project were the HF410 window system in Home Pure, featuring sustainably sourced timber, and the HS330 lift and slide system, once again featuring an internal timber finish. Now the colour the clients chose was a traffic white RAL 9016 on the inside, to give it a real nice airy feeling, and on the outside was more of a traditional jet black RAL 9005. Now previously the homeowners had two large bifolding doors on their property, one of them actually being 4.7 metres wide, and because of their construction and the material makeup, consequently they weren't able to open them fully, and what they actually found was that actually they blocked a lot of light coming in. Now the homeowners have a fantastic glazing product which is thermally performing, fantastically high in security levels, and of course keeping a lot of the sound pollution out of their property, but also allows a lot of that light to penetrate into their house, making a lot of the outside come in, which made a real difference to the way in which they experience the home. So as in any renovation project, it's important that the installation company pays a huge amount of attention to the initial survey and spends a lot of time making sure that they're working alongside the intricacies of the building. The building won't move, so it's important that we work alongside those characteristics and ensure that the product is made to fit the building itself. This isn't like a new build. We're fusing the ultra-modern triple glazing products from Internorm Windows with the fantastic characteristics of a traditional building from the Edwardian period.